Coinbase is hands down the most popular place to buy and sell your cryptocurrency. I remember in 2018, it was the #1 downloaded app on Android and iOS. A lot of people love to go to Coinbase simply because it's just so user-friendly, especially as cryptocurrency can be pretty confusing, but Coinbase makes it very simple. But a lot of people don't know that when your cryptocurrency is sitting on Coinbase, that's not really yours. The wallet on Coinbase is only used for the immediate before or after when you're buying or selling, but then you take the crypto and send it to a cold wallet or a hard wallet, which I'll show you how to do later in this video. If you keep your crypto on Coinbase itself, if Coinbase shuts down or goes offline, you can't access it. You have to send your crypto to a wallet where you are in complete control. That's why it's called a cold wallet, because it's stored offline. And I'm saying all this because news broke this week that Coinbase might be facing bankruptcy, and that means they are allowed to take your crypto if it's kept on there. And they even came out with a statement saying that they will do so. Now, I cannot stress enough how important this video is. If you or your friends invest in the cryptocurrency, share this video to them, because I know a lot of people do leave their crypto on Coinbase. It's very convenient, and a lot of people just don't know about some of these other wallets that are very, very safe compared to a hot wallet like Coinbase. This is what we're talking about, folks. Coinbase warns users could lose their crypto holdings if the company goes bankrupt. Another article, Coinbase says if it goes bankrupt, it might seize users' crypto. And then we have the article coming out that Coinbase misses revenue estimates as retail investors head for the door. So we're talking about a very serious situation. It's not just, oh, they could or they might. They even mentioned that they might do it themselves. They're telling people, yo, we might do this if we do face bankruptcy. So it's very important to know what to do. So right off the bat, I'm going to teach you how to securely send your crypto or store your crypto into a wallet where you are in complete control. Coinbase is a hot wallet. Like I said, any site where your crypto is on that site is called a hot wallet. That means the wallet is on that site's or in that site's control. If they want to shut down, you can't access it. If they wanted to take your crypto, they can. So you have to download a cold wallet. A cold wallet is something like Exodus. You can go to exodus.com. I'll even link it in the description. It's a cold wallet, meaning that you are in complete control and it's stored offline. So you can download it, and what you would do is if your crypto's on Coinbase, you would download this, push the receive button, get the address, and send it to this wallet. This wallet is perfect because it's basically unhackable. And what I mean by that is this. This wallet uses a private key or a private phrase. So it's 12 words that you write down, put it somewhere safe. And when you download this wallet, you can only be logged into one wallet at one time. By the way, there's a desktop and a mobile version. So let's say you have this wallet on your computer, but your computer breaks. You could re-download Exodus on another computer, type in the 12 words, and all your cryptocurrency is still there. Plus, not only that, since you are in complete control, you are in 100% complete control, nobody could hack it. Nobody else could download Exodus and try to hack into this unless they broke down your door, found the 12 words, would even know what to do with the 12-word phrase, put in the password, and put in the re-login method. I mean, it's unhackable. Now, an even safer way to go, though, is, and this is for people that have a lot of money invested into crypto. Usually people can go with the cold wallet. This is a hard wallet. This is the Ledger Nano. This wallet, which is actually is the wallet, my crypto is stored on here. Now, let's say that, and what I do is there's like a USB, a mini USB that plugs into the computer. You type in 12 words or whatever, and then you can take the crypto off onto the computer. Now, let's say someone steals this. I could buy another Ledger Nano, and just like the cold wallet on Exodus, I could type in my private key or my private phrase, and all my crypto would be back again. So even if someone does rob you, they can't do anything. You can still just buy a new one. And that's why it's so safe. If Coinbase shuts down, it's gone. Even if you get robbed on a cold wallet or a hard wallet, it's still not gone. You see how much safer it is and why it's so important that people know about this stuff. Now let's go into, and by the way, there's also like the Jax wallet, JAXX. That's only for mobile, I'm pretty sure. Exodus is by far the best cold wallet in my opinion. I mean, you got to remember, I've been investing into crypto since 2016. I'm talking about when Bitcoin was $800, $1,000. I was making educational videos on YouTube teaching people how to invest, since way back then. So I'm very well educated into the crypto world. It's not like I'm just new to this. I've seen all the wallets. I know how it works, and I know what is safe and really what isn't. So these 3 articles we're going to go over will also be in the description. Coinbase warns users could lose their crypto holdings if the company goes bankrupt. Now that is the article that came out. That was the announcement. And it even says right here, Coinbase says if it goes bankrupt, it might seize users' crypto. And that's literally a statement that they put out. It's not someone else saying, well, they could do this. Coinbase said they could do this or would do this. So the crypto wallet company Coinbase appears to have quietly snuck a mutually assured destruction clause into its latest earnings report. That's very dangerous how they quietly snuck this in. As Fortune observed, the fine print in Coinbase's quarterly earnings report, which detailed both a $430 million loss and a 19% drop in users per month, explains that if the company goes bankrupt, it could possibly take all the crypto in its users' wallets. Now, this is what you see a lot of like darknet sites do, right? Though it's called an exit scam, where like a company has a whole bunch of users using crypto on there, and they have a lot of wallets, and the company will just shut down or go offline and take everyone's cryptocurrency. Now, usually it's from the illegal side of things, like I'm saying, on like a darknet site, buying illegal things or whatever, but or like just a scam site, that some crypto companies doing. But for Coinbase, the most recognizable, trusted site in the world for buying and selling crypto, to say this is just insane, and that they could legally do it's even more insane to think about. And this is all because Bitcoin's down so bad right now and people are exit selling, right? They're panic selling. Now, the worst part is in a year from now, or probably less, when Bitcoin recovers, all these people are going to be buying back at a higher price. They're selling low and they're going to buy high. Everyone was buying Bitcoin when it was $60,000. Your mom, your friend, your dog, cat, everyone was buying Bitcoin when it was 60,000. But when it's down to 30,000, everyone's selling. It should be opposite. You should be buying right now and then selling at 60K. And I'm not recommending buy right now. I'm just saying that, in the investing world, you're supposed to buy the dips, sell the tops. Right now is a dip, so this would be the ideal point to enter the market. Right. So anyways, in a subsection noting that the company currently holds 256 billion total in both cryptocurrencies and fiat, Coinbase added that in the event of bankruptcy, its users would become a general unsecured creditors, and the crypto assets we hold in custody on behalf of our customers could be subject to bankruptcy proceedings. Now this wouldn't be a problem to you if you just kept your crypto in places that you should. Coinbase isn't meant to be a wallet for you. That's just where, when you buy Bitcoin on there, the Bitcoin has to go somewhere for you to send it to. So the Bitcoin goes into that wallet. But that's not your permanent wallet to hold it in. That's just the wallet that you could access your Bitcoin from to send it to an Exodus wallet or a Ledger, right? You don't keep it there. Or if you're selling your Bitcoin, you sell it, the Bitcoin is on that wallet, so you can send it to, wherever, PayPal or your bank account. You don't keep your crypto on a site like that has access to your crypto. That's common sense. But a lot of people don't know much about crypto that are investing into it. And that's the people that need to watch this video. So anyways, here's the anxiety part. After people caught wind of the bizarre fine print admission and were understandably PO'd, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong took to Twitter to try to fix their concern. Your funds are safe at Coinbase, as they always. I mean, yes, they're safe, but if the site goes offline or goes bankruptcy or files bankruptcy, it can take it. And he added the company has no risk of bankruptcy. He only concluded that the risk clause due to the new Security Exchange Commission requirement. Now, when you read this, Coinbase misses revenue estimates as retail investors head for the door. You know, we're talking about billions of dollars in crypto here, and a lot of people are going to other places, and and the worst part is, if you think about it, now that this news came out, people are going to be taking their crypto off Coinbase and sending it to other places regardless. So it's not even just people panic selling. They'll be taking their crypto off Coinbase just because the possibility of them going bankrupt and taking it. So it's almost even a more, since this news came out, it's almost a more surefire way to help Coinbase get screwed. And it is a weird way to say it. But among its mix of crypto assets, Bitcoin accounted for 24% of trading volume, up 16% from the prior quarter, but down 39% from a year earlier. So I don't really want to go into the Coinbase markets. I do want to cover, let's go into this one. So this disclosure makes sense in that these legal protections have not been tested in court for crypto assets specifically, Armstrong continued, adding that it is nonetheless possible, however unlikely, that a court would decide to consider customer assets a part of the company in bankruptcy proceedings, even if it has harmed customers. So much quailing user anxiety, right? I mean, it does make sense, though. It makes sense from a business perspective, but from a user's perspective, it should also make sense in the way that it is possible, so don't risk it. I mean, yes, that would be messed up, but even knowing that there is a chance, even just knowing in general that Coinbase is in control of your crypto should be enough that you don't keep your crypto on there. You don't keep your crypto on a hot wallet. That is putting your cryptocurrency in a 50-50 position that hopefully this site doesn't go down. Hopefully this site doesn't go bankrupt. Hopefully. You don't want to do that. You got to be 100% certain that your crypto is safe. And the only way to do that is in a cold wallet or a hard wallet. You could even do a paper wallet, but that's sketchy. A paper wallet is literally a piece of paper, like just a plain piece of paper out of a printer, but it has a QR code. And the QR code is your crypto. That's the wallet. Now imagine if you lost that piece of paper. Imagine if that piece of paper got into the wrong hands, and that's happened before. That's actually happened. People have had paper wallets. Some people even get wallets on a dog chain on their neck that or as a necklace that has a QR code. That is silly to me, but I mean that could be very safe if you keep that piece of paper in a safe or somewhere. But regardless, just don't make it too confusing. Just download Exodus or the Jax wallet, JAXX. I know Jax is mobile. I don't know if they went desktop now. I know Exodus is desktop and mobile. Ledger Nano is a great one. You can even search around, but just make sure that you're not just finding some sketchy new wallet that just came out. I mean, a lot of these, crypto is pretty mainstream nowadays, and that's also why I wanted to make this video. I know my channel is about silver stacking, but since precious metals is so common in today's day and age, I had to talk about this because I'm sure a lot of my viewers also do, diverse into cryptocurrency. So just be careful. The moral of the story is, if you aren't in control of it, then make sure that you take action to do so. And I've explained why and how to do that. Exodus.com or Ledger Nano. Ledger's around probably $150. I don't know. I bought that thing, 6 years ago, so I don't know what the price goes today. But regardless, just make sure you're you're taking steps to be in complete control of your wealth. I'm going to wrap this video up here. If you thought this video was educational, informational, at least entertaining, make sure to hit the like button. Make sure you send this video to anyone that invests in the crypto because they have to see what is really going on. That Coinbase warns users could lose their crypto holdings if the company goes bankrupt. Thanks for tuning in. This was Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.